Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Isencane Lengane. So guys, this episode starts off with uSiyacela uyobona Mawele. Remember Amawele in past episodes, they are the Sangoma triplets that were hlahlubaring uThando, and I guess they asked to see uSiyacela, so uSiyacela is doing that today, or in this episode he goes and see them, you guys. And some of the things they said, I was just like, hi banza. But anyway, who am I to talk, because what do I know about such things? But anyway, one of the things that the triplets say to uSiyacela ukuthi hayibo abantu, everyone was envious of your life. Nathi mebesithi everyone, who is envious of a life yomuntu odelelayo? Guys, I don't know. Maybe they were trying to say ukuthi uSiyacela maybe wakhula kahle, he had everything, and maybe people were envious of that. But besides that, uSiyacela since edelele, and I'm thinking, who would wish? Oh, and they say everyone is envious of Siyacela's life. Who's the everyone? Because clearly this child looks like nje he's been denelaring since. And then they also tell him ukuthi wena ke ubaba wakho, when your father was still alive, you were his favorite. But now that Ubaba Dlamuka has passed on, unolaka towards you wena Siyacela, because you are not treating uThando well. So apparently that's the reason. Noguchi Imoto, the whole accident was supposed to claim uSiyacela's life. Basically, the ancestors want uSiyacela's life because uSiyacela, he's got anger, and abantu abadala, apparently they don't want umuntu onolaka, or they can't work through umuntu onolaka or something like that. And last thing that they get to say to him is that uSiyacela needs to ukuthi avuse ibandla. Guys, he needs to remember Ubaba Dlamuka had a church which has since closed down. They are now telling uSiyacela ukuthi Siyacela needs to he needs to revive that church again. And I'm like, uSiyacela, that's in his diary session. He says, he doesn't mind reviving the church. It's not gonna go anywhere. I'm just trying to think to myself, imagine guys being part of a church where umholi wako, where your leader is uSiyacela. Yeah, anyway, uSiyacela leaves that meeting. It looks like he took something out of that session. He does say ukuthi bazomgeza or do something like that. But uSiyacela also says you could see ukuthi Elinywele wanted him. And if you wanted any of those twins, you could get them. He can get any girl. Kathi yes, uSiyacela yazibona. Just malanyana moja love money is getting to his head. That makes him think ukuthi he can't, like there's no girl he can't get. Anyway, next scene there we see uThembi Nkosi. Thembi Nkosi is out and about uyohlangana noMakathando. uMakathando called him because she heard from her brothers ukuthi igama lakhe phela came up when uThembi Nkosi was speaking about indaba yengane. Manje uThembi Nkosi, when uMakathando, when she's saying ukuthi igama lami lingenaphi, why when ukhuluma amacala wakho you want to bring out my name? So uThembi Nkosi achaze. But in his chazaring, guys, there's some uThembi Nkosi yazi. I shame. In his chazaring, I noticed ukuthi he did not tell the full story. Remember last week yena uthe ukuthi uMakathando said ukuthi uNokuzana uThando beNonjabulo once came to our house and they were drunk. Today, or in this episode, when he's explaining it to uMakathando, he leaves that whole story out. He also said ukuthi uMakathando, she's the one who also said ukuthi uyasona ukuthi lengane vele is not uSiyacela's child. He doesn't say that straight up to her face. I'm like, as uThembi Nkosi, does she just get him off our screens at this point? Because I am tired of this meme. Anyway, uMakathando's response to all of that, she says ukuthi even if what you are saying, Thembi Nkosi, is the truth, me as the mother, mela ngifihla ihlazo wingane yami. I can't let my child exit marriage like that. That response from uMakathando, I was just like, nah, man. It was just giving me vibes ukuthi there's something that may, or maybe uThembi Nkosi maybe does have a point. Yokuthi uMakathando naye ke uyasola, but she's just afraid to speak up and say certain things because obviously she's the mother. But I'm just like, I just felt like she should have just said I don't know, she should have used maybe a different wording, but the way her saying ukuthi mina as the parent it's my responsibility ukufihla it just gives off the vibes yokuthi even if or there's something oyisolayo now. But anyway, she then says ukuthi mina-ke into engayithandanga, I didn't like that ubaba uPhakathi was encouraging wena noSiyacela to fight. So mina, I want to know from ubaba uPhakathi emdala kangaka, what was he trying to do by influencing or encouraging wena noSiyacela ukuthi nilwe? Obviously, by saying that uThembi Nkosi uyajabula because he feels like someone is on his corner and someone's on his side. I'm just like, being on uThembi Nkosi's side or corner, guys, is never a safe thing because uThembi Nkosi uzokujikela when he's with other people. That man nje, ay shame. Anyway, that scene ends, and then the last scene we get to see is uSiyacela. He takes uThando out to a restaurant. I don't know, uSiyacela's in a good mood. All of a sudden, he's being nice to uThando. Angazi-ke if he's being nice to uThando because of what Amawele told him, ukuthi ubaba wakho ukwatele because of the way you treat uThando. He's busy telling uThando ukuthi yazi ngiyabonga. Thank you for always being in my life, and in ngathi ngiyaqala ngci to hear uSiyacela saying thank you uThando. uThando Shem, you can see ukuthi uchamekile. She's busy trying to smile there, but afuna ukubonisa ukuthi uchamekile. But that small gesture made her happy, and that just made me think that sometimes, you know, guys, when a woman loves you, it doesn't take a lot to make her happy. Just try, you know, because uSiyacela was trying, and you could see ukuthi uThando Shem, she was kind of impressed. But anyway, uThando goes on to say ukuthi yena she hasn't seen no improvement in their 6 years of marriage. She hasn't seen no improvement in their lives. uSiyacela goes on to say in his diary session ukuthi uThando uyahlaya. Angithi unayo ingane, like nayo ingane, usafunani uThando? So he's basically saying ukuthi wena mawushada mawuze emzini uzozala. So like which other improvement ofuna uyibona? Ngithi khona ingane improvement ke leyo. He goes on to say uThando, she came into this family. She came with her private part, which that private part she was coming to give in daughter. So that's all she's here for. So because she's here for that, she must submit and treat her husband well. That's it. Ay shame Thando. Imagine umuntu ocabanga kanjalo akacabanga ukuthi one day mina they need to have their own things, maybe they need to have their own property or whatever. The only thing he thinks is children. Yeah, guys, the day uThando even takes herself more seriously, taking care of herself, I'm telling you, he's going to make sure he traps her again with another child, because in his head, a child is just going to keep you here again. Anyway, so uNokuzana, uThando tells him ukuthi phela I want you to go and do the DNA test because angithi ubaba is busy saying the child is not yours. I want us to do a DNA test, which uSiyacela agrees to, you guys. uSiyacela says ukuthi lalelani mina ngisabi next. Even if they say ukuthi ingane ifana noNjabulo, umalume mina ngiyamazi. Umalume uyancena, like he's saying ukuthi uyavilapha umalume to be doing the deed. So there's no way ukuthi umithisile. Ngathi hayibo siyacela ubaze lapho umalume ukuthi hayibo ukuthi uyavilapha when it comes to that department. I just feel like even that statement on its own ukudelela nje by saying that. But anyway, uThando calls her father and tells him ukuthi fine, we're going to do the DNA test. When the results are out, we will call you and then we will give you the results. Guys, indaba ye-DNA and the results, I feel like isiqalisa ukungibhora, honestly. It's starting to bore me. And I just wanted to get it over and done with because we can't spend whole season speaking about one thing coming from last season, which is DNA test. Like they should have done it on episode 1, get it over and done with, and let's see if kuzoba khona drama with those tests or whatnot. But it's clear, uThembi Nkosi from day one, he never wanted uNubanji to be Siyacela's child. If it does come out that it is Siyacela's child, I wonder what other strategies he's going to use to try and get back to Siyacela. Anyway, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. Guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.